Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessicatrnovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a DIY on the hairspray I have used before. So these are the benefits of the hairspray I'm using before. I did added fennel seed, moringa leaf and cloves. So I've used this hairspray before and my hair grew, so I am going to do this again. I'm going to do this for 30 days. So these are the benefits of the moringa leaf and these are the benefits of the cloves. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. If you see in the beginning of the video, that was how my hair was, because I used this and I grew my hair in 30 days. So I am going to do this again, which the first one I did not document it. Then I don't do YouTube, so I decided to do it again since I'm on low cut and see the results. So guys, I'm soaking this into hot water for like an hour. After that, I'm going to strain them and I'll combine the whole water together and put this in my spray bottle. I'm going to be spraying this on my hair every day for 30 days, and I'll show you guys the results maybe in another video, not in this one. So at the ending of this video, you also see how my hair looked like, how it was growing. Yes, so I'm going to drain this now, and when I drain this, I am not going to use this leaf again. I'm going to throw that away because I've already collected all the whole nutrients from it, because the hot water has removed all the nutrients from it, so there's no other nutrient in it again. So as you guys saw the benefits already, what it does to your hair, it helps for hair growth. It helps you not to if your hair is cutting, this is going to help you to strengthen the length of your hair so your hair don't break. This is what the water is going to look like, and I'm already straining it. That was the video I did before. I'm showing you guys how I washed my hair and everything. I'm going to put it somewhere in the link, and this is the water we are going to be spraying on our hair. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, as I said earlier on. So I'm going to be trying this, as I said, for 30 days. So after 30 days, I hope and I pray my hair grew as it grew before, because right now when I did this video, I was pregnant. So I hope it grew as it grew before when I was not pregnant. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. So guys, this is what my hair was before, and it was so full and so nice. Like, I was so happy with my hair. So I just hope it grew as it was before. But I'm going to show you guys another video in the next video. All right, bye.